Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the image link or Drive file is ready. Make sure it's shareable if stored on Drive. Open the Google Sheets file and click the cell where the image will go. If you want the picture inside a cell versus floating over cells, choose your approach now. Once done, use the Insert menu or the Image function. This first step sets the file access and placement method, which determines later options and formatting choices. Now insert the picture. For a floating image, go Insert Image over cells and pick Upload, Drive, or URL, position and resize with drag handles. For in-cell images, either Insert Image in cell or type equals image, https:// with optional mode and size parameters. If the picture is in Drive, make sure sharing is set to anyone with link or the correct account. This prevents broken links and ensures the image loads for collaborators. Finish by formatting. Resize the image, snap it to cells, or use the image function's parameters to fit or crop in cell. Make sure row height and column width accommodate in cell images, and lock or protect ranges if you need a fixed layout. If the image fails to load, check the direct URL, confirm Drive sharing is public or accessible to collaborators, and verify the file type is supported. One key tip: clear browser cache or try incognito to rule out caching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.